Good evening, everyone. We'll start the class now. I was just waiting if other people are still yet to join, but it's already 7:10 and other people are asking, so we'll start the class. Okay. So today is week 4 and we will be discussing uh, previous year questions of week 4. Okay, so I hope everyone has attended the lectures of week 4 by Rupal ma'am and have joined the class today. For anyone who has joined new today, I'll introduce myself again. I'm Amrita, a PhD student from University of Hyderabad, and I have been assigned to take these live interactive sessions for the course Maternal Infant Young Child Nutrition. Okay, so we won't waste more time. Today we have around 25 questions to discuss, and I hope you all have come prepared. We'll start. I hope everyone knows the rule of the class. You have to be muted throughout the class. Audio and video should be in mute. If you want to communicate with me, please write down your query in the chat box. Okay, and for the questions, I will show you the question. I will give you 2 minutes time. You can think what can be the correct option of the out of the options given in the screen and write the correct answer in the chat box. I repeat, write the correct answer in the chat box. Okay, and then we will, after 2 minutes, when I will show you the right answer, and we will discuss why that is the correct answer. Week 3 recording and material is not posted yet. I have posted it. I don't know if it is not updated in the NPTEL link, but I have posted it from my side. You can check in my YouTube channel, it is already posted. Okay, so we'll start. Let's see what's the first question. Dash helps in carrying oxygen to the entire body. Options: iron, vitamin B12, protein, magnesium. Start answering. YouTube channel, I think you can, if you just search maternal infant young child nutrition assignments or maybe NPTEL, it will come. I don't exactly remember the name now. If you search the course name, I think it will come. Okay, or you can go to the link of week 2 and see the week 3 from the same channel. Okay, but I think I have updated the link. I will check once more after the class is over. Okay, we'll try to discuss the questions faster, and please be muted throughout the class. Yeah, so I was saying that we will try to finish as early as possible, as you all have other works to do after 8. But I think, yeah, the questions are very easy. You just need to revise, practice, as you all are solving the current year assignments as well. It's better if you can practice some more questions like your assignment questions, right? Okay, is everyone done? Shall we discuss the correct answer for one first question? Okay, I think everyone has given the answer. Let's see what is the correct answer. The correct answer is A. Iron helps in carrying oxygen to the entire body. Here you can see what happens when we take in oxygen. It is binding to the hemoglobin which has the iron, and then hemoglobin in the blood carries oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the tissues, and then the red blood cell carries carbon dioxide back from the tissues to the lungs, and oxygen is released to the cells. This is the cycle of how oxygen is carried throughout our entire body, and the carrier is iron, which is present in hemoglobin, the pigment of our blood. The red pigment of our blood is called hemoglobin. Okay, easy. We'll move on to the next question. A nurse explains the benefits of delayed cord clamping to a pregnant lady. What do you think could be the benefits? It helps to improve vitamin A store, it helps to improve vitamin B store, D store, it helps to improve calcium store, or it helps to improve iron storage in the liver by allowing blood flow between placenta and baby. Everyone, please be active throughout the class and try to answer as many questions as possible. Okay, and yes, also try keeping a track of how many correct answers and how many wrong answers you all are giving. We will see your score at the end of the session. Okay, everyone done? Okay, let's see what is the correct answer to this question. The correct answer is D. It helps to improve iron storage in the liver by allowing blood flow between the placenta and the baby. Here you can see what is delayed cord clamping first of all. So delayed cord clamping is a birth practice where the umbilical cord is not clamped or cut until after pulsations have been ceased. So what are the benefits of delayed cord? So what is the optimal time to wait for cutting the cord, umbilical cord? 2 to 3 minutes after the birth. And why choose delayed cord clamping? It increases iron levels as given in the option. It in extra blood provides oxygen, red blood cells, stem cells and immune cells, placenta transfusion and higher birth weight. Babies receive 25 to 40% more blood volume from their mothers, right? So delayed cord clamping can prevent complications with placental delivery and postpartum hemorrhage as well. So we'll move on. 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay. So the third question: what three key nutrients are required? Okay, I hope the third question is visible. What three key nutrients are required for the early development of the baby's brain and spine? Folate, B12, choline, folate, B6, potassium, calcium, folate, B12, iron, calcium, B6. Everyone done? Okay. Let's see what is the correct answer to this question. The correct answer is A. Folate, B12, choline. So here you can see what are the key nutrients required for brain development in the early stages of the baby. Protein, fatty acids, polyunsaturated fatty acids, iron, zinc, copper, iodine, choline, folate, and vitamin A, B6, and B12. Right, as given in the option: folate, B12, and choline. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Dash fruits as they have maximum amount of vitamin C, raw or ripe? Very easy questions, as you all can see, and I think everyone can answer all questions correctly. I hope every one of you gets 25 out of 25 today. Let's see. Okay, I'll show you the first question at the end. Okay, I hope everyone is done. Let's see what is the correct answer to this question. Obviously, raw fruits have maximum amount of vitamin C. Here you can see some rich foods having vitamin C, both fruits and vegetables: papaya, orange, lemon, broccoli, etc. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Fifth question. Which of the following increases the risk of childhood obesity? High weight gain in underweight mothers, high weight gain in mothers who are not underweight, low weight gain in mothers, no weight gain in mothers. Everyone done? Okay. Let's see what is the correct answer to this question. The correct answer is B. High weight gain in mothers who are not underweight. So, if the mothers gain weight who already have a normal weight range, and that can always lead to risk in childhood obesity as well for their children, right? We move on to the next question. Sixth, folate is essential for DNA synthesis and dash hair growth, muscle growth, fetal cell development, or bone development. Already we discussed a similar type of question. Start answering, everyone. Okay, everyone is done. Let's see what is the correct answer to this question. Correct answer is C, fetal cell development. Okay, as we have already discussed, what are the nutrients, key nutrients for fetal cell development, for brain development in the fetus? We have already discussed it was folate, iron, right? So here folate is the same question was again repeated. Folate is essential for DNA synthesis and fetal cell development. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. First essential nutrition action done for a newborn is dash. Delayed cord clamping, breastfeeding, breast crawl, keeping the baby with the mother. Okay. Whoever are joining late, I request you to please be on time to the class. It will only help you. Please do not delay. Maximum after 7:10, I will be starting the class by 7:05 or 7:10 at max. Okay, so whoever are late, please try to be on time and yeah, join live and attend the practice session. It will only help you and make you prepared for your exams. Obviously, you will be getting a lot of MCQs in your exams. It could be from the previous year questions or it could be from the current year assignments. No one knows that. Okay, so you all should be prepared for that. Okay, everyone done? Let's see what is the correct answer to this question. The correct answer is A, delayed cord clamping. So the first essential nutrition action done for a newborn is delayed cord clamping. Already we have discussed what is delayed cord clamping. That is cutting the umbilical cord 2 to 3 minutes after the birth so that the baby can get maximum benefits like increased blood flow, stem cells and immune cells from the placenta through the mother, and they can have increased blood volume leading to a higher birth weight, and also the iron stores are increased which can decrease the risk of anemia. So delayed cord clamping is the first step taken towards the nutrition of a newborn baby. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Ideally, a baby's diet must include all dash food groups: 6, 5, 8, 10. Okay. Is everyone done? Let's see what is the correct answer to this question. Correct answer is C. So, what are these food groups? These can be whole grains, starchy vegetables, fruits and non starchy vegetables, dairy and non dairy alternatives, fish, poultry, meat, eggs alternatives. Okay, so what should a just delivered mother do to pass on infection fighting elements, good fat, and nutrients to a newborn baby? A. Give formula milk. B. Breastfeed the first milk, that is colostrum. C. Give honey in formula milk. D. Give honey in animal milk. Start answering. I think we discussed about colostrum in some of the previous classes. Let's see how you all remember. Everyone done? Okay. Let's see what is the correct answer to this question. The correct answer is B. Breastfeed the first milk, that is colostrum. So already we have discussed what is colostrum. Colostrum is a milk-like fluid formed by all the mammals before they get into the lactation period during pregnancy or while breastfeeding. So in case of humans, the first milk coming out of the breasts after pregnancy is called the colostrum. So what are the benefits of this first milk which is being breastfed to the baby? It boosts your immunity, it prevents from allergies and infections because it has IgG antibody, reduces inflammation, reduces the risk of cancer, strengthens gut, and enhances metabolism. Okay, so that is it. We'll move on to the next question. 10th. An expecting mother wants to reduce the chance of neural tube defects in her body. Which nutrient should she take? Folate, vitamin A, vitamin C, iron. Okay, is everyone done? Let's see what is the correct answer to this question. The correct answer is folate. So, we have already discussed about folate in the previous questions as well. So, deficiency of folate can leads to neural tube defects. This is what the figure explains, that environment and genetics both can leads to altered folate metabolism in our body, and if there is decrease in the folate levels, it can lead to decreased methylation of proteins, lipids, and it can alter protein function and gene expression, leading to neural tube defects. So, to reduce the chances of neural tube defects, your body should have sufficient folate in your nutrient intake in your diet. Okay. Okay. We'll move on to the next question. Deficiency of which nutrient during the first 1000 days leads to impaired learning, impaired social emotional behavior, and higher levels of anxiety and depression later in life? Start answering. Okay. Is everyone done? Okay. Let's see what is the correct answer to this question. The correct answer is B. Iron. So, iron deficiency can lead to impaired learning, impaired social emotional behavior, and higher levels of depression and anxiety if the first 1000 days, that is almost 3 years, of the baby are not given proper nutrition. Iron is a very important part of the nutritional diet given to the baby for the first 3 years. Here you can see iron, folate, B12, iodine, and vitamin D. All are important. Okay. Yeah. We'll move on to the next question. 12th. Daily recommended intake of vitamin C for lactating mothers is dash 90 mg, 120 mg. I'm so sorry. One second. Yeah. Mm, yeah. Is everyone done? Okay. Let's see what is the correct answer to this question. The correct answer is B. 120 mg. So the daily recommended intake for vitamin C for lactating mothers is 120 mg. So vitamin C is a normal component found in human milk and is a key milk antioxidant. So the recommended vitamin C intake in lactating women is 120 mg daily, and for infants aged 6 months or less it is 40 mg. So high daily doses up to 1000 mg increase milk levels but not enough to cause a health concern for the breastfed infant and is not a reason to discontinue breastfeedings. So if the infant is drinking more milk and they are intaking more than 40 mg, it doesn't lead to any kind of health concern. Nursing mothers may need to supplement their diet to achieve the recommended intake to correct a known deficiency. So lactating mothers are recommended to take supplements, vitamin C supplements of around 120 mg, which is required for them to breastfeed the baby. Maternal doses of vitamin C in prenatal vitamins or at or near the recommended intake do not alter the milk levels. But the vitamin C is not a vital component for altering your milk levels, right? We'll move on to the next question. 13th. If a woman smokes during pregnancy, how does it affect the baby? Does not affect the baby, causes low birth weight or premature delivery, causes high birth weight, reduces the risk of obesity in babies later in life. Start answering. I'll just come back. Okay. I hope everyone is active in the class and they're answering every question. It's not necessary that you give the correct answer, but it's definitely necessary that you attend the question. Okay, if you can't attend the question here when no one is giving you marks and you don't have any kind of negative marking, if you're scared here, I'm not sure how will you do well in the exam. Okay, so we are all here to learn, and you all should be active and answer actively in the class. Okay, is everyone done? I feel so. Let's see what is the answer to this question. The correct answer is B. Causes low birth weight or premature delivery. Smoking, not just for pregnancy, but in general, is a very um, risk factor for any of our health conditions, but it's more serious when you're smoking and you're pregnant. Smoking during pregnancy may cause health problems, like, because it's not only affecting your health but it will affect your baby's health as well, right? Low birth weight, premature birth, that is being born too early, stillbirth, that is miscarriage, respiratory complications, congenital heart defects, CNS effects, fetal death, or infant death. You can have all these problems if you are smoking when you are pregnant. That's why smoking should be avoided when you are pregnant and in general as well. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Calcium deficiency in pregnant women causes high blood pressure, heart diseases, diabetes, asthma. Start answering. Whoever is raising hand, please write down your query in the chat box. I'm here to help you. I'm trying as fast as possible, Hima, but the questions are more today, around 25, and I have to wait till other students in the class give the answer, okay? But still, I don't think I'm giving more than 2 to 3 minutes time for each question. Yeah, even I want to do that 7 p.m. But in 7 at 7 p.m. exactly, only 3 to 4 people have joined. And how can I start the class? At least I have to wait 5 to 10 minutes so that the attendance is at least 20 to 30 so that we can start the class, right? I joined sharp by 7 or before 7 I joined. But you all have to be on time so that I can start the class. It is full-time work to see the videos whole day. You have to move fast. Okay, if you all want that much fast, then I can be more fast. But I have been given the time of 7 to 9 p.m. actually, 2 hours. But still, I'm going uh, very fast and trying to complete it within 1 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes. I don't think I can do more fast than that. It's like only discussing the questions without any explanations and also not giving enough time for others to think and answer the question. Okay, let's see uh, what's the answer to this question. Calcium deficiency in pregnant women causes high blood pressure. So, as you can see here, these are the symptoms of calcium deficiency: brittle, weak bones, bone fractures, problem with proper blood clotting, osteoporosis, weakness and fatigue, delays in children growth and development, heart problems involving blood pressure and heart rhythms. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Vitamin C acts as free radical or antioxidant? Start answering. It will be better if we can answer the questions rather than just discussing. Okay, everyone, please be muted. I understand everyone's problem, but please understand my problem as well, that I have been given the time till 9 p.m. But I'm still not stretching till 9 p.m. from the first class itself because I know we all have other work to do, but this is important as well, and I need to give explanation to each question if required. And if not done, I don't know if other people can understand or not. By when do you upload the recording? I upload it within 1 to 2 days. See, again, people are saying, can you repeat question number 14? By what timings? There's no timing. Please be muted and please uh, uh, write down in the chat box whatever your query is. Please write down in the chat box. I will repeat first 14th question again, Gurnur, at the end of the session. Okay, please. I don't want to go back now. I will discuss question number 14 again for you. Okay. Saroj, please mute. Seriously. Okay. Is everyone done with question number 15? That's the problem when I do fast, that some people may miss out on questions. That's why I only give 2 to 3 minutes and I think that is required. Okay. So vitamin C acts as antioxidant. We have discussed vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps protect your cells against the effects of free radicals, molecules produced when your body breaks down or is exposed to tobacco, smoke, radiation, sun rays, etc. So these free radicals might play a role in heart disease, cancer, and other diseases. So what does vitamin C do? It acts as an antioxidant and protects your cells from these free radicals generated by smoke, radiation, and sun rays, etc. Okay. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. First 1000 days is the time span from conception to the baby's second birthday. True or false? So yeah, there is no specific time when I'm uploading the videos. Whenever I get free time from my lab work, I upload it, but I try to do it within 2 days, like within Thursday. Okay. So from for every week after Thursday, if you check, you will be having the video with you. Okay. Okay. Everyone is done. Okay. I'll still people are still answering. I'll wait for more 1 minute. Please be muted, Anjana. I'm repeating again, everyone, please be mute throughout the class. If you have other work to do, you can leave the class as well and join again after some time when your work is finished. But please do not unmute yourself and disturb other people, okay? Okay, I hope everyone is done. Let's see what is the correct answer to this question. A. First 1000 days is the time span from conception to the baby's second birthday, right? From the time of conception, that is when you get pregnant, when you conceive the child, to the baby's second birthday. That is called the 1000 days of time span. And we discussed how iron is important when how iron nutrient is important for your baby during those 1000 days, right? So 1000 days is from the date you conceive your baby till your baby's second birthday, almost 3 years, right? So it is true. Okay, moving on to the next question. Pregnant women can pass black stools after consuming tablets, calcium, vitamin, iron, folic acids, omega 3 supplements. Start answering. Okay, I guess everyone is done. Let's see what is the correct answer. The correct answer is C. When you are taking iron supplements, generally recommended for pregnant women, it can lead to black colored stools because of consuming these tablets. Here you can see a picture here which denotes what color of stool can take place by eating what. If your stool is black color, it happens because when you're taking iron supplements, or if there is bleeding in your digestive tract, it can also be a problem. Same way, other colors and what foods can lead to these colors tools are given, you can check from the folder. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. It is said that malaria is a risk factor for iron deficiency. Why? Because mosquitoes suck a lot of blood. White blood cells are destroyed in malaria, red blood cells are destroyed in malaria, there is blood loss due to mosquito bite. Okay, is everyone done? Okay, let's see what is the correct answer to this question. The correct answer is C. Red blood cells are destroyed in malaria. So, what happens? The parasites enter the bloodstream and infect the red blood cells. Then, the parasites multiply inside the red blood cells. The cells then break open within 48 to 72 hours and infect more red blood cells. So, because of this infection in the red blood cells, malaria is a risk factor for iron deficiency. It can lead to iron deficiency. Okay. Okay. In which week of pregnancy does the human brain begin to grow? First week, second week, third week, or fourth week? Start answering. 1 minute, everyone. Okay, is everyone done? Okay, let's see what is the answer to this question. The correct answer is third week third week of pregnancy, the human brain begins to grow. So here you can see human brain development starts soon after conception and continues into early adulthood. The fetal brain begins to develop during the third week of gestation. So the neural progenitor cells begin to divide and differentiate into neurons and glia, the two cell types that form the basis of the nervous system. So here you can see there is a picture given and how the brain develops throughout the gestation period. 29 days, 30, 33 days, 52 days, 59 days, 70 days. This is around 2 plus months, 20 weeks, 6 months, 9 months, and then a young child, teenager, and adult. Okay. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. What should we do to help boost the absorption of iron in the body? Consume a vitamin C rich food along with our meals. Sit under the sun soon after eating our meals. Drink water along with the meals. Drink tea or coffee along with the meals. Everyone start answering. Okay, is everyone done? Okay, let's see what is the correct answer to this question. A. What should we do to help boost the absorption of iron in our body? We should include vitamin C rich foods in our meals. So here you can see what is happening in food. Iron is present mainly in two forms. That is hem iron, which is directly absorbed with the help of hem transporter protein, and the another one is the inorganic iron, that is the non-hem iron, which is absorbed in the Fe plus 2 form. So the vitamin C acts as a reducing agent and reduces the iron plus 3 ions to the iron plus 2 ions. So it acts as a reducing agent to bring the inorganic iron to be absorbed in our body. Okay, in transferrin from apotransferrin, uh, it converts apotransferrin to transferrin and acts as a reducing agent. So it is recommended that vitamin C rich diet should be taken. Okay, moving on to the 21st question. Addition of which food will increase iron absorption among the following? Carrot, lemon, potatoes, and beetroot. Already we discussed the explanation for this question. Let's just see if everyone is giving the correct answer. Okay, is everyone done? Okay, let's see what is the correct answer to this question. The correct answer is B, lemon. Because obviously lemon is a vitamin C rich fruit. We've already discussed that what is the role of vitamin C in iron absorption. So if you take lemons in addition to your foods, it will increase iron absorption in your body. Okay. Moving on to the next question. During diarrhea infection, dash milligrams of zinc per day should be given to babies below 6 months? 15, 20, 25, 10. Okay, everyone is done. Let's see what is the correct answer. It's D. 10 milligrams of zinc per day should be given to the babies below 6 months if they are having a diarrhea infection. So here you can see administration of zinc that is recommended by UNICEF. If the baby is less than 2 months, no tablets are required. If the baby is 2 to 6 months, then half tablet that is 10 mg is required, which can be dissolved in breast milk and can be given for a duration of 14 days. If the baby is from 6 months to 5 years, which is then they can be given one tablet that is of 20 mg. It can be either dissolved in breast milk, ORS, or clean drinking water for 14 days. Okay. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. 23. Poor attachment of the baby's mouth to the breast will result in areola feeding, nipple feeding, breastfeeding, or proper feeding. Start answering. Okay. I guess everyone is done. Let's see what is the correct answer to this question. The correct answer is nipple feeding. So, the poor attachment of the baby's mouth to the breast will result in nipple feeding, that it will be only sucking the nipple, but the milk is not going on into the baby's mouth. So, it is called breastfeeding and not nipple feeding for a reason. So, sometimes the baby's latch is shallow. This means it is not deep into the areola part of the breast. The baby may seem to be hanging on the nipple tip. When this happens, your baby won't be able to remove milk from your breast very well. So this would decrease the amount of milk your baby drinks. minutes. So feedings may take more than 45 minutes, and your baby may not gain weight as he or she should. Also, your nipples are more likely to get very sore or cracked. So the proper attachment of the baby's mouth to the breast is important for baby's nutrition as well as for mother's health, right? Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Essential nutrition actions are a preventive approach to tackle protein deficiency, malnutrition, diabetes, or lung infection. Okay, is everyone done? Okay, let's see what is the correct answer to this question. The correct answer is malnutrition. Okay. I hope everyone has given the correct answer. Obviously, malnutrition can lead is a essential nutrition actions are taken when the baby is malnourished. Okay, the nutrient uptake is not sufficient for the baby's growth. Right? So the correct answer is malnutrition. Okay. Someone was asking for question number 14. I will quickly go to question number 14 for her. Yeah, it was about calcium deficiency. Golla. Sorry everyone, there is a power cut in my hostel. Okay, sorry everyone, there is a power cut in my hostel. So we are already at the end of the session. Just clarifying some doubts. Someone wanted question number 14, so I'm showing it here again. I hope it is visible. So question number 14 was about calcium deficiency in pregnant women, which leads to high blood pressure. Okay. And anyone else? Does anyone want to see any other question? Show me the first question. Okay, wait. I'll show you the first question. Yeah. So the first question was Dash helps in carrying oxygen to the entire body. Iron, vitamin B12, protein or magnesium. The correct answer was iron. So what happens is when we intake oxygen, it goes and binds to the red pigment in our blood, which is called hemoglobin, which carries the iron, and then hemoglobin in the blood carries oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the tissues, and then the red blood cells carry back the carbon dioxide from the tissues to the lungs, and oxygen is released into the cells. show the first four questions. So this was question number one. Question number two was this, a nurse. Okay, if someone is late and they are trying to ask me again, please go and watch the recording of this session, because the session is recorded. You can go and watch it in the YouTube channel. Okay, because it will be late if I show all four questions now. Okay, yeah. So who all have given score? 14th question I already showed, Gurnur, about calcium deficiency, right? Everyone, please write down your scores in the chat box. Let me see it. 14th question. Okay, 24 out of 24. Very good. Anyone else? 22. Good score. 22. 22. All correct. Good. Whoever has joined late and they have missed any of the questions, please go back and watch the recordings. It is not possible to repeat all the questions again here. Okay. So you will get the presentation as well as the recording of today's session, but it is always better to join live and revise the questions with me. Okay? Okay, so we'll meet again next week at the same time. Please, everyone, be on time so that we can start the class early. Okay? Okay, thank you, everyone. I'll disperse here. That I'm not sure of, Tanvi, that how the assignments will be assessed. I am not the person who is taking care of that. Okay? Okay, thank you, everyone.